Today we're working on my square body, and what we're going to do is I have had this blinker. It has been broken since I was a kid, so my game plan is to replace it. Ordered one online. Looks pretty good, and I didn't even realize it, so I'm going to have to order another one of these. That one right there is also cracked, as well as that bezel, so I'm going to order 2 of those to fix that as well. The front grille otherwise is in pretty decent shape, just a little bit dirty. And just so you know, this is a 1984 Chevy Custom Deluxe. Had this since I was a teenager. This was my first truck, and it has 105,000 miles on it. I am doing some light restoration work to it. I've got a lot of interior stuff going on, which you'll see in other videos. And really needs a good paint job and just a little bit of work done to it, but really good truck. Had it for a long time, and I just want to make it a little more spiffier. I've been working on that. You can see, the Maverick project. We got a bunch of videos on that we're working on. That's a massive project out there. But anyways, today we are working on this, and so far it seems like it's just 2 screws right here. I've taken one out. So I'm going to take out the other one, and let's see what we can do here. All right, so that's actually broke. Did not realize that. Okay, so we have a screw up here, don't we? Yep, there it is. Well, look at that. Got a screw right there. Got a screw right here. I'm going to get some WD-40 and spray on here. So let's do that first, and I'll be right back. Alright, sprayed on down WD-40. Let's see if we can get them to come out. There we go. And then this one over here, which isn't attached to anything, so I'm not even going to worry about that, because this is broke right up there. Okay, so let's see if it'll come off here. Aha, there we go. And we can see where that piece is broken. So I'm just going to order another one of these as well, it looks like. But we can see our blinker assembly. So looks like 3 screws. I'm going to get the sockets for that, and then we'll take it out. And I'm going to leave the headlight like it is. Looks like that headlight's been replaced before too, right there, actually. Because you can see they're a little bit different. That's interesting. 2B1 sealed beam. This looks like it's probably the original headlight. This right here looks like it was a replacement. This because it has that silver halogen. So I don't know which one's which on that. That's interesting. Didn't know that. So anyways, let's get the screws. Let's take out this. This is super easy, which is nice compared to the Maverick. All right, so I got the drill, socket. I know I said screw on the last one. It's actually socket. Just so you guys know, I think I've mentioned this in all my videos. I am a real estate expert. I am not a car expert. So don't take my advice. We just do these videos and hope they work out. Oh, there it goes. All right. Again, not a car expert, not a tool expert, not a big expert in a lot of things. Magnificent. And let's see if we can get this back off here. So it looks like it should just twist. Let's see if that'll work. Aha. Twisted right on out. I could be an expert when the repair is super simple. Of course, if I say that, I'll find some way to mess it. Alright, so we determined we need to order a new one of these since this broke off. But we'll put this on back now. give me a follow. I have other content. The square body is one project. The 1973 Ford Maverick is another project, and that one's a lot more in depth than this. But follow along if you like these cars, and if you are somehow entertained by me, I appreciate it.